So I'm really excited about this video because it's on one of my favorite topics, and that is cosmetic dentistry. So what is cosmetic dentistry? Cosmetic dentistry refers to any dental services that improves the appearance of your smile and your teeth. Having a beautiful smile is so important to your self-esteem and confidence. At Bradford Family Dentistry, we believe that everyone deserves to have a smile that they can be proud of. So what are the procedures that we can provide to help you get the smile that you want? So the most common things we hear about people wanting to change are the color and shape of their teeth. But also, if they have crooked teeth, they want that fixed, crowded teeth, excessive spacing, or if they're even missing teeth. Those are all things that we can help you with cosmetic dentistry. So for the rest of the video, we're going to go over each of the different types of procedures we can provide to help you get the smile that you deserve. So of course, one of the options for getting the smile you want is to whiten your teeth. Whitening is a very common procedure in the dental field. Of course, the ones that you can get at the store are not nearly as effective as the whitening products and agents that we can do at the dental office. Professional teeth whitening can make a drastic change in the color of your teeth. It's not uncommon to have your teeth whitened 6 to 10 shades in one single visit. Whitening is a great service for people who actually like the shape of the teeth, they just want them brighter. So whitening can be applied in two ways. It can be done professionally at the office. The other option is to do a take-home kit, where we provide you with custom-made trays for your teeth, as well as the whitening agent to help you get your teeth whiter. Obviously, it will take longer to get the desired result with the take-home whitening, because the concentration of the gel that we can provide for you at home is a lot less than the concentration of the whitening agent that we can use in the office. Again, the main principle of whitening is that the concentration of the whitening agent and the time that it is on it is the determining factor of how white your teeth will get. Remember, only dentists can provide you prescription strength whitening agents. The stuff you get at the stores are designed for consumer use. That means the concentration of the whitening agents are a lot less than what you can get at the dental office. So if you want speedy results, really white teeth in the shortest amount of time, then you want to do the in-office whitening. It will be a little bit more investment, but it is well worth your time. So another great cosmetic service that we provide is dental bonding. So dental bonding is essentially filling material that we use to reshape your teeth. So if you have spaces between your teeth, or you're not happy with the actual shape of your teeth, or if you need a drastic color change of your teeth, we can actually do dental bonding to reshape your entire smile. So dental bonding is very versatile, but it does have one major drawback, and that's the way it reflects light. So when light hits your natural teeth, there's a natural reflection, so there's a little bit more of a sparkle. But when it hits dental bonding, because the bonding is a plastic type resin material, it doesn't reflect light in the same way, so you get a bit more of a dullish appearance. For some people, they will never notice it, but for some people, that's something that may bother them. So you do have to understand there are limitations to bonding. It is a great service, but if you really want the most natural look, dental bonding may not be what you want to go with. So that leads us to porcelain. Porcelain restorations are the most natural looking restorations we can place in your mouth because it has the same type of reflection of light that natural teeth do. Porcelain restorations include dental crowns and veneers. You may ask, what's the difference between a veneer and a dental crown? Dental veneers are very conservative restorations. They require very little to no preparation of your teeth, and it's typically done when you have fairly straight teeth. A dental crown will be necessary to do when you have large restorations pre-existing on your tooth, so it's already heavily built up, or you have a tooth that's really far out there or a little bit more malpositioned that we have to do a little bit more adjusting to get it to be in line with the rest of your teeth. So crowns and veneers do have a much longer lifespan than normal fillings do, just because of the nature of the material. So a lot of people do prefer having the porcelain veneers and crowns over bonding because of the natural aesthetics of the material, and people are usually generally happier with the results. So veneers and crowns and bonding are great when you have teeth that are relatively straight. What do you do when you have too much space between your teeth? And what do you do when you have overcrowded teeth or a tooth that's way out of position? Well, in that case, you will need braces. With braces, sometimes we do have to combine that with other cosmetic techniques. So we may want to whiten them if you're not happy with the color of them. So if you still do not like the shape of your teeth, you have them all straight, but you say, you know what, I don't like the way this tooth looks because it's kind of, you know, too skinny or too fat, however what it is, then that's when we would say, hey, let's combine that with doing some crowns or veneers or bonding, depending on which way you want to go. So lastly, what do we do when you have missing teeth or several missing teeth? Well, that's going to affect your self-esteem because you got, you know, spaces where you should have teeth. So that's where we look into doing things to replace the space. So maybe it's doing a cosmetic denture. Maybe it's doing a few bridges. Often it involves doing implants to replace single teeth or large spans of teeth. So there are several options and they all have to do with cosmetic dentistry. It's just a little bit more involved to get the results you want. So I hope this video has given you a little bit more insight about what can be done in cosmetic dentistry today. I love cosmetic dentistry because it's one of the few things that we do in our profession that changes people's lives. The best feelings a dentist can have is when they have a patient in a chair that has not smiled in years because they're too embarrassed to smile. And after we are able to help them get the smile they want, they can't stop smiling. And it's one of the most heartfelt, touching experiences that a dentist can have because we know we have now really changed the course of this person's life. And we love to help change your friends, and your life for the better. So again, if you know anyone that we can help with cosmetic dentistry, we'd be happy to serve them. I'm Dr. Jesse Chai. We love to see you smile.